Hello, I hope you guys are okay. Today we're going to replace a screen for HP laptop, HP Pavilion, but let me explain you the model because always HP use numbers for the model, which is quite difficult. So let's check it out. Today is the one. If you check this one called HP 15-BW, I don't think so it's going to become on the focus. So 15-BW550SA. Okay, so this one takes 30 pin. This is the replacement. 15.6 inch flat 30 pin on the right hand side. We're going to change the screen. Okay, so first thing we need to take out the battery. As you can see the battery here. Alright, so let's, okay, that's the battery. Now lift it up. As you can see, this frame, this is like not more old-fashioned. There is no screws on the top. So what we need to do, we need to just take a flat tools, make a gap, like that, and then open it up with your fingertips. It's very simple. Now you need to be careful in this part. The reason is they use some kinds of adhesive. I don't know why they use it, but they use it anyway. So now I need the flat tools again. Slowly I need to cut the adhesive. Okay, you need to be careful because there are some adhesive that takes. Okay, because this is the sensitive part. They use the board, program board, for the screen over there. Okay, so that is the front bezel. Okay, that's the actual front bezel. As you can see, the adhesive. Now this screen is secured with few screws. So there are two we need to open up. There is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Okay. And the holder of the screen underneath the hinge. So we need to open 6 of them. All of them same in size. So don't worry about the screw management. 2, then 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we need to lift it up a little bit and then push this hinge at the back. Alright, and take it out. Put it flat like that and take a tweezer. Try to open up this sellotape. Careful, don't damage the flex. Now lift it away from the actual screen. That is the one. Alright, put it on the side. Take your new one, and once again let me show you the model number. Linux, that's the one. Right, so now connect it again. Don't worry, there is no battery. Make sure it's connected securely and properly. We just need to put it back one more time. If you think the adhesive is not enough, then you can add some. Just a kind of sellotape, put it there. Just for security, you never know. Otherwise you're not going to get any pictures on it. Okay. So now Orange. Okay, once again put it on the place. Good. Now 6 screws, one at the bottom right here, another bottom one right there, and 2 more at the front. And another 2 more in here. That's fine. Now, before I put the front bezel, I need to check if this is working or not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect the charger. Steady. That is the actual charger for it. Let's connect it and press the power button. Seems this comes on. Yeah, we're gonna wait for a couple of seconds just to see the Windows screen, because now only HP logo, very small. We don't know if there is any dead pixel or blinking. Hey. HP nowadays make very silly computers. It's rubbish, one of the most rubbish quality nowadays called HP, you know, and their customer service are terrible, because I had to deal with some issues of my customers with the HP customer department for laptops, and the answer is always silly. Some of them repair cost 184 to change the motherboard for HP Steambook 11, but when you can buy for less than 184 the whole actual netbook, you know, so that's why I start hating HP nowadays. Okay, so let's check. As you can see, this is very slow. There is no blink or anything. The screen is absolutely working. Okay, so we're gonna turn it off. See. Super slow computer. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we're gonna turn it off in here. Shut it down. Shut it down anyway. So once it goes off, then we'll put the front bezel and the job would be done. Sometimes we might need, let's check if there is no any glue. I don't want to add any glue, because that would, maybe in future I need to open up. So I don't think so we need any more. But still I'm going to put a little bit, not too much. 1 second. Just a little amount, you know, not too much. In here. This is the one. That's fine now. I'm going to take this out, and it's going to be on very soon. Do the same job again. And I got it. Yeah, this side is fine. Yeah, still on the place. Close it. Now close it together. Check if there is any gap or anything. I believe you can close it from here. And now we're gonna put back the battery into the place. Yeah, good. So that's how you replace your HP screen for HP Pavilion, and the model number is 15-BW 550SA. It takes 15.6 inch the flat LED screen and 30 pin. Alright, so if you do have any question for this model, don't forget to leave a comment, because I always enjoy the comment, and of course if you do subscribe, that would be really helpful for me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye for now.